Mayor Geraldine Lendor-Gabriel has announced important updates to the local police force aimed at enhancing safety, accountability, and skill development as part of a broader commitment to effective community policing. This initiative includes the introduction of body cameras, upgraded radio systems, and advanced training programs to strengthen community safety and improve trust in law enforcement.
We need to ensure that they serve and protect. And as such, we've provided all of our city police officers with body cams. So as they move through the community, they wear their body cams. So when they interface with persons, they know that that interaction is actually being recorded and can serve as evidence if they act wrongly. So we are also protecting the public. We've also ensured that every one of them have their bulletproof vests, so they are protected. We've also enhanced the quality of our radios. So since the new commissioner came in, we've had discussions and we've essentially going to have all of our city police officers go through a rigorous training program, 2 weeks. Everybody will be exposed to that. Some new, some refreshers. But generally, it's about capacity development. It's about providing them with the tools to do their job. And to the extent possible, ensuring that the resources that we have in terms of the manpower is actually well utilized.
Improving communication efficiency has also been prioritized with upgrade radio quality, enabling officers to stay better connected and respond quickly to emergencies. Mayor Lendor-Gabriel underscored that when residents call for assistance, the updated radio technology will help officers locate them quickly and arrive promptly, enhancing police responsiveness.
When they call, the city police will respond, then that is going to give them a lot more confidence that they can get support required to prevent certain crimes from taking place. It is happening. We have provided some of them with our phone numbers, and sometimes they just basically just make that call. They may not even have to speak. They just make a call, and we know where that call is coming from, and our officers would actually move in the direction.
While acknowledging that these changes are a positive step towards creating a safer community, Mayor Lendor-Gabriel noted that there is still work to be done to further improve the police force.
But we think that more can be done. There's always more that needs to be done to engage young persons, and perhaps some of those programs can take place at the schools, at the school itself. Of course, we've seen the issue of the gangs, the 6 and the 7, affect our young people in a some of them in a very traumatic way. Some of them have had to drop out of school in an attempt to protect themselves. So there's a lot to be done, but it involves collaboration. I think a little more from the private sector, a little more collaboration with the private sector can actually assist. And so as we look through our new planning period, we start off somewhere in January, because we go into ASU Squares, we will be looking at some of those new strategies that we can implement. Of course, it requires some level of retooling and rethinking in relation to our police officers, because you need to be able to be equipped to find new ways of doing things. And so as we engage with them, we think that we will be able to strengthen on some of the improvements that we've been able to do.
The mayor underscored the importance of these updates in promoting a safer environment and a more proactive approach to law enforcement. With the new tools and training, the police force is expected to better serve and protect the community, reinforcing a partnership between law enforcement and citizens that will continue to contribute to a stronger, more unified community. For Choice News Now, I am Kenise Baptiste.